Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1995 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck. Now this little pickup truck is two-wheel drive. Gorgeous little truck, came out of Georgia. Very, very clean body. The paint on the truck is very nice. Has a 4.3 liter engine in it, automatic overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, disc brakes on the front, sitting on a set of chrome torque thrust wheels. Truck has been lowered. This truck, we put probably about 1,000 miles on this truck, drove it home. It runs and drives absolutely great. Very clean little truck, 116,000 original miles. Power windows, power locks. Just a beautiful little truck. Very nice, very straight, and super sharp. I love that black with the gold accent on the bottom. Like I say, the paint is very, very nice, as well as the body, the interior. Very clean pickup. Dash pad's very clean. You can tell how nice and clean and solid it is. All the dome lights work. Visors are in nice shape. Carpet's very clean. Nice little run around daily driver truck. Something you can cruise and enjoy. See a few little specks of dirt on it. The paint's really nice. I'd wipe that off for you. Dash lights work. Radio works. Blower motor works. Air works. Horn. Windows. That power lock works. I need to pop this off, and somebody must have put a new door handle on it and they don't have that lock adjusted right, so I'll fix that. But very clean little pickup. You don't find them here in the Midwest this nice and this clean, so that's why we look for stuff that's down south that's super clean. Take you out for a little spin quick. Little flip down armrest in the middle. Nice running, driving little pickup.
I mean, we haven't gotten to do that this whole time we've been raising money this week.
This gentleman here, I think, is out for a Sunday cruise at 48 miles per hour. Cruise control works. Air blows cold. Just a clean little pickup. I will have this truck pictured and listed on my website yet today. It's even got almost a full tank of gas. I guess I'm looking for something to drive. I can drive this around for a little while. So yeah, I already know it runs and drives great. I think it had about 115,200 miles on it or something like that when we bought it. So we put 800 to 1,000 miles on it. So just a super cute little truck. I'll get out here and walk around the outside of it with you real quick. Nice day here in Iowa. Winding down the days of summer. Heading into fall. I love the fall weather here in Iowa. You get 4 seasons here in Iowa. Sometimes the weather's a little unexpected, but sure is gorgeous. Just like this little guy. It's got a drop-in bed liner in it. And don't let the 4.3 fool you. It still runs good. Gets right up to speed. Thing got great fuel mileage too. We were out on the open highway. We were getting 20-21 miles a gallon, so that's pretty darn good. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty vehicles every day. So give us a call on this beautiful little 95 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck. She's all lowered. She's got the wheel and tire package on it. She's ready to go. I really appreciate you watching all my videos, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button. That way you never miss another great vehicle. Have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys soon.